How to fix TD Bank's login problem. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix the login problem of your TD Bank. So to do that, first of all, open up the TD Bank app on your mobile device and simply make sure you are entering the correct username and password, as even if you enter one letter or one digit wrong on either of your credentials, you will not be able to log in, which may be the reason for your problem. So make sure you're entering the correct one. Now, if you do not remember your correct username or your password, or you are not unsure, you can simply reset it by tapping these options over here: forgot username or forgot password, and then simply enter your new credentials. That way you will make sure you will eliminate any possibility of your credentials being wrong. Now the second thing you can do is basically make sure you have a stable internet connection, as TD Bank app is an application that requires a stable internet connection to work. If you do not have a stable mobile data or a Wi-Fi, your app will not function properly, which may be the reason for your login problem. Now the third thing you can do is basically update your TD Bank app to the latest version, as if your app is not updated, some of the features and fixes will not work, causing your login problem. So once you've made sure all of these are done, try to log into your app again. But if you're still not being able to log in, simply call this number right over here and they will be able to fix your problem. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.